No matter what kind of driver you are, adding the right gloves to your packing list is crucial. Today I'll be going over 3 types of must-have gloves for truck drivers and when they'll come in handy. First up, we have canvas work gloves. The canvas work gloves are tough, sturdy, and puncture resistant, making them a great option when working with sharp objects and around potentially rusty surfaces. These gloves are crucial for all types of work, including when working with tools, while completing your pre-trip and post-trip, when working with your fifth wheel, when pulling your trailer tandems, and even when dealing with frozen brakes. Canvas gloves can be found at home improvement stores or farm supply stores. Now, number 2 is our leather work gloves. Leather work gloves are comfortable, durable, and waterproof, making them ideal for working with anything that involves grease, oil, or fuel. These gloves should be used when you're fueling, when you're checking your oil, and checking your belts. The leather gloves offer a better feel than the canvas gloves do, and you can also find these gloves at the home improvement and or farm stores. And lastly, we have our winter gloves. These gloves are essential for truck drivers who live in cold climates, and also for the over-the-road drivers who haul loads to areas with cold weather. Look for an insulated pair that keeps out the cold and the wind. The thicker, the better. These gloves will be of use while completing your pre-trip and your post-trip in the winter, putting on chains, or even just walking from your truck to an operating center or a customer location. Now, even if you live in warm climate, it is important to remember that there will be times when a load may require you to travel to a much colder climate. You can find these gloves at sporting goods stores or outdoor stores. And that completes our overview of the essential types of work gloves for truck drivers. If you're looking to join a company that's interested in driver safety, check out schneiderjobs.com or call 800-44-PRIDE. As always, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get even more truck driving content.